Christian here, Pro3 Properties, full-time real estate investor. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to another episode. And let me just change the settings here. Okay, so we are in Grimsby, Ontario. This is our next project. And what you can see here is a lot of green stuff on the floor. And if you've been following us on our YouTube channel and some other social media platforms, we are a big fan and supporter of SONOpan, which is a Canadian brand and a Canadian product that we primarily use for soundproofing. There's actually a couple of sheets here, so we brought this over from another project. These are the 4x8 SONOpan sheets that you would install in a ceiling or in walls for some, extreme soundproofing, you could say. But what we're doing here today, and I'm very excited about this, we're using SONOpan X. Yes, SONOpan X. This is the first time we're using it. It's a new product, or at least it's new to us. I'm going to zoom in. There it is. And it's basically, it acts as a subfloor, and it helps significantly with soundproofing and, the noise reduction of impact, as, so in walking, stomping, dropping things. And why are we doing this? Well, this is a duplex, as I mentioned before. This is a 1965 bungalow, and the windows are good, by the way. 1965 bungalow, and we are just doing everything in our power to have, to implement and install as much soundproofing as possible in between the two units. So the basement apartment is basically turnkey, which is not something that we entertain or do on a regular basis. However, in this case, it made sense. So the basement is turnkey, and we're not going to rip out the fire-rated drywall that's already been installed. This is the laundry room, by the way. We're going to be replacing this. So yeah, everything's still kind of under construction, but as you can see, if you focus on the flooring and the subflooring, we're using this SONOpan product literally everywhere. In every room, in every nook and cranny. This is a bit of an awkward bulkhead that was much bigger when we bought the house, and we're installing several layers of SONOpan X in there to reduce noise transfer or noise traveling. So you can see that here. So yeah, we're basically using this in the entire apartment. What we have done is we have installed this, or we're installing this on top of the existing hardwood floor. The hardwood floor was in decent, or is in decent shape. We are going to, and I will show it to you in a second. So this is the bathroom, the transition to the bathroom. This is very nice tile work, so we're not really going to touch this floor, but in the rest of the apartment, everything will be vinyl, and I'm going to show you the vinyl product right there. So this vinyl product comes with an underlayment. It's a pretty good product. Anyway, long story short, SONOpan X, we are installing it in the entire apartment, every closet, every corner, as much as possible. We went under the kitchen cabinets. We went below the gas fireplace here as well. I'm not sure if you can see that, but we went underneath. And yeah, the noise reduction is going to be huge. The vinyl goes on top, and that way we don't have to rip out this the fire rated ceiling downstairs and install the SONOpan sheets, the traditional SONOpan. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, give you guys an update on what we're doing. We're always doing something, always busy, always on to the next one. We're actually keeping these sheets to do some fire separation and soundproofing in the furnace room downstairs. It's a separate apartment, it's a separate video. But yeah, SONOpan X has been great. I think it's roughly $14 per tile, 4 by 4, 4 feet by 4 feet. Installation is straightforward. Really easy installation, and it's fun. It's a fun process. And yeah, let me know in the comment section if you have worked with this product before, if you're looking to work with this product before. But as far as I'm concerned, to be completely honest, at this point, the next time we have a complete gut, or the next time we have a house that's in a rough condition, I'm prepared to do to install the SONOpan X upstairs. So in this case, it would be existing subfloor, existing hardwood floor, add the SONOpan X on top, then the vinyl product, the vinyl plank with the underlayment, so you have multiple layers. Then in the basement, you would rip out the existing ceiling, if there's a ceiling. If there's no existing ceiling, then you would go in with 2 layers of safe and sound. In the joist cavities, attach the SONOpan sheets, the 4x8 sheets, to the joists. Then you would install the resilient channel on top of the SONOpan sheets, and then you would do at least 1 layer of Type X 5/8 fire rated drywall. Enough of talking. If you've done this before, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. We will be reporting back from Welland very soon. We will be reporting back from another project very soon. And we're trying to plant some seeds for future projects to make sure that we have something to do in 2022. Thanks for watching. Peace.